shortest line is like 90 minutes. Most are like a couple hours for the rides. Unless we want to do Alice in Wonderland. That's 5 minutes.
That's a maze though.
210-minute wait. If you ever go to Shanghai Disney,
Get there early.
get there early. So there's this thing called Fast Pass. It's all free, but apparently it's first come, first serve. And
They
so
don't tell you that.
they don't tell you that. Chris Evans is here. Scarlett Johansson, right there. Meg,
Yeah.
Scarlett Johansson's right there.
It's not really good.
We decided we at least have to do one ride, so we're in the Tron ride. 115 minutes for the single ride. Almost made it.
No.
We're almost there.
We've only gone around like 2 loops.
Yeah, it's been like 20 minutes. We still have a couple more hours. The wait time's up to almost 3 hours, and we're not even inside yet. We thought we were close. We were wrong. After over 2 hours, we finally made it, I think.
Almost there.
We're almost there.